drowning in a sea of webtoons and need a life raft. Finding your next binge-worthy read can feel like climbing Mount Everest. But fear not, fellow webtoon enthusiasts. Today, I'm serving up bite-sized recommendations tailored to your taste. First, let's conquer the all-time classics. Tower of God is a must-read. A gripping story of a boy climbing a mysterious tower, filled with complex characters, epic battles, and constantly evolving mysteries. The art style evolves beautifully throughout the series, keeping things fresh. Craving romance with a mythological twist, Lore Olympus is your answer. Stunning visuals combined with a captivating retelling of Hades and Persephone's story. The color palettes are gorgeous, and the drama is addictive. Next up, if you're into self-discovery and the power of makeup, True Beauty is perfect. Follow Jujeong as she navigates high school, love, and the pressures of societal beauty standards. Prepare for some serious swoon-worthy moments. For those who prefer a dose of horror and suspense, Sweet Home delivers. A reckless teenager must fight to survive when monsters start appearing in his apartment building. Intense, thrilling, and visually stunning. Still lost? Use Webtoons search filters. Filter by genre like action, romance, or thriller. You can also explore trending titles and staff picks for fresh content. Also, don't be afraid to venture into the Canvas section to discover indie gems. Remember, these are just starting points. The best way to find webtoons you love is to explore, experiment with different genres, and trust your gut. Happy reading!